Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This Grand Caravan is featured in a blue paint finish and is the SXT Premium Plus trim. It includes features such as our powered driver and passenger seat in a black leather finish, second row bucket seats with a DVD entertainment system, tri-zone climate control, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connection, powered sliding rear doors, as well as a powered liftgate, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle. Below we have the controls for our power mirrors, power windows, power locks, as well as our rear third window venting. Some storage, as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Lighting controls just inside to the left of the steering wheel. Powered settings down our driver's seat, which is finished in our black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see we have our display cluster, digital odometer in the center. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has all of our hands-free controls, and the right-hand side has all of the controls for our cruise settings. Shifter just up to the right, key to ignition just to the bottom. On the key, we can see barely that we have our alarm system, locks and unlocks, power tailgate, remote start, as well as power sliding rear windows. Putting the key back in and looking towards our infotainment system, you can see we have our GPS navigation. If we go to our radio, we have AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as media. Hands-free settings on it, as well as an aux and USB input. Below that, we have all of our tri-zone climate control, including our rear controls. Then our econ mode, hazard lights, 115 volt power, and our traction control. Some storage across the bottom. Then we have our center console, storage compartment in the front, 2 cup holders, and some more storage in the back. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black leather. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our dome lighting, a sunglass holder, as well as all the controls for our power sliding doors, power tailgate, and the ability to turn on or off our power sliding doors. Now moving down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we can see we have an aluminum rim with our Dodge center cap, as well as an all-season tire. Moving out, we have paint match finishes on our mirrors, as well as paint match door handles, power sliding rear doors. Back of the vehicle, we have our Dodge and Grand Caravan badging, all in chrome. Backup camera on the left-hand side below our Dodge. Opening up the tailgate. Inside the back, we have third row stow and go seating. Can access it, we can see we have all of our numbers. We have 1 on the top, as well as our 3, our 2 on the bottom, and our 4 through the back. Storage on either side, as well as some additional storage in the back. Moving inside the back of the vehicle, you can see we have our power window control, black finish door handle, controls for our power door, as well as a cup holder in the bottom. You can use the power door by simply pushing on the door handle or by pressing the button inside the vehicle. Inside the vehicle, we can see we have a storage pocket in the back of the driver's seat, as well as the back of the passenger seat. On the headliner above, we have our DVD screen, as well as our tri-zone climate control. Moving to these seats in the second row, we have 2 of them in a captain's chair format. You can fold them down by simply pushing on the side. We can see we have stow and go seating. In the back, we have 3 bench seats, also finished in our black leather. We have cup holders and storage on either side of the vehicle, as well as our vents on the ceiling. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.